Diesel heater, water heater, quick setup guide. Step 1, connect pipes to push fit connectors. Step 2, connect power cable from cigarette lighter socket. Step 3, start pump. Step 4, purge air from the heat exchanger by rotating the device. Step 5, connect the hot air hose to the hot air vent outlet. Step 6, start the diesel heater. Hot air flows over the heat exchanger system through which the water is pumped. It takes roughly 15 minutes to get a 3-minute hot shower. Step 7, set up the shower. Buy me on Etsy whilst stocks last.